Okay, now that we know how to put some titles on our videos, I want to show you a couple options that you have in order to kind of start editing your clips. And when it comes to movie making, it's all in the editing. And that's what really makes your video kind of pop and makes it look smooth and seamless, and it makes it look really professional. So I'm just going to take this long clip that we have here. And let's say I don't want to use this whole entire clip. Let's say I only want to use just a few seconds of it. You have two options. Number one, let's say I want to scroll to right about there. I can press on the clip, and then where the actions are, again, I can see the word split. I can press that, and then the clip that's highlighted, I can go on the bottom right, and you'll see the little trash can with delete. So that part of that clip is now removed. Or if, let's say, you only want to remove part of it, you can go to this clip again, go to the far right, you'll see the yellow bar. If you press on that and slide it, that actually allows you to crop the clip as well. So there's a couple of different options that you have there, being able to edit your clips into smaller sections. I also want to show you too that in addition to videos, you can also put photos into your movie as well. So let's say I want to include a photo of, a phone. All right. So you see I have the plus, and then I have the three little dots. When I press the three little dots, I have some options, and that's something I'm going to go to a little bit later. But if I just want to press the plus, as you can see, that drops it right into my video. Now, you see how when I move the video clip from left to right, the picture kind of moves? That's called the Ken Burns effect, and you can keep that on there if you'd like, or if you press on the clip, you'll see in the video itself, you have some options. You see the triangle pointing to the left with a line, the triangle pointing to the right with a line, and then the Ken Burns enabled. If I want to press on the top one, I can move that video or that picture clip to wherever it is that I want. I want to enlarge it, so I put two fingers on the picture and I enlarge it, or I make it smaller to where it's just that size. Wherever I want it to start, I put it there, and then if I press the one next down with the triangle pointing to the right in the line, now I can maybe make it a lot bigger when it's done. So then when I go back to the beginning of the clip, as you can see as it plays, it goes from the beginning now to the ending as it goes and enlarges. So that's one way to do that. Or if you don't want to enable that at all, you just want to have a picture without it moving, press Ken Burns enabled on the bottom, and that disables it. And that all that is there's your picture, and it stays the same throughout the whole clip. Or even if you wanted to, again, pinch it, enlarge it, again, with Ken Burns disabled, it's going to stay at that moment until you change it, or if you'd like to keep it that way.